constellation of starlings swirling in the evening sky, thousands of birds moving as one, creating mesmerizing patterns that shift and flow seamlessly. What guides their movement so precisely? The answer lies in swarm intelligence, how animals, without any designated leader, work together to solve complex problems naturally. Take ants, for example. A single ant is nearly blind and clueless, yet together, entire colonies build intricate nests, locate food sources, and defend against threats with remarkable efficiency. Each ant follows simple behavioral rules, but the collective intelligence of the colony achieves astonishing feats. Similarly, fish schools evade predators by shifting direction in perfect harmony, responding instantly to subtle cues from neighbors. Bees, too, choose new hive locations by performing a democratic dance that communicates their preferences, allowing the group to reach consensus. These systems process information, make decisions, and adapt to challenges, all without central control or a master plan. Swarm intelligence emerges from countless small interactions, proving that simple agents, when connected, can tackle tasks far beyond individual capability. From birds to insects, the power of the collective shapes survival, efficiency, and innovation in the wild. A natural blueprint inspiring solutions to some of this world's toughest problems.